Hey YouTube, it's me Oz here with just Rough and Productions, and as you can see, it's officially snowing. Now this storm isn't going to be as bad as it was when Hurricane Grayson came through, and I do not expect to see a lot of power outages in the area because the winds aren't as high. But now it's really starting to come down now, as you can see. Wow, it's really starting to come down now. I'm about to go taking some pictures and post on Facebook here. I'm gonna get some good shots. Now we're supposed to be getting about an inch of snow, though the inland areas are supposed to get around 3 to 5 inches of snow. So, definitely not a good day to go rolfing, I'll tell you that. This is why I don't normally rolfing during the winter time, because of this crap. The snow. As you can see, I don't want to stay out here much longer because my hands are starting to turn purple. I don't want to get the risk of frostbite. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the front yard to show you guys after I warm up. Alright, so this is the front yard. It's very light snow, it isn't as heavy. But you notice that there's snow that's starting to build up on the road. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and head inside to get some hot chocolate. But thank you guys for watching.